In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change column width in the Wix Editor. If you're looking to add columns to your website, you can make use of strips. For a more detailed guide on adding columns with strips, be sure to check out our other video on that topic later on. But for now, let's dive into adjusting the widths of existing columns, a handy trick to help you customize your site layout just the way you want it. To start editing the widths of your columns, the first thing you'll need to do is select the stretch option. This might sound a bit technical, but it's actually really straightforward. Begin by clicking on the strip you want to adjust. Once it's highlighted, look for an icon that represents stretching. Go ahead and click on that. You'll have the option to choose either screen stretch or page stretch. These options allow you to adjust how the strip behaves, whether you want it to span the entire screen or align within the page boundaries. Play around with adjusting the margins a bit to see what suits your design best. Next up, let's tackle the layout adjustments for those columns. After you've gotten the hang of stretching, it's time to modify the column width itself. Again, click on the strip and this time select the layout icon. Here, you'll notice there are preset column proportions available for you. These presets offer a quick way to apply common width arrangements. However, if you have specific dimensions in mind, you have full control to customize it exactly how you like. Simply scroll down through the layout options until you reach the area where you can input your customized proportions. You can manually enter the dimensions there or use your mouse to drag the adjustment handle and resize the columns dynamically. Lastly, let's refine the details with column spacings and padding adjustments. Giving your columns some breathing room can make all the difference in ensuring your content looks polished and professional. Explore the settings available to tweak the spacings and padding of your column blocks. This part allows you to define how much space is between each column, how they are padded inside, and is key for achieving the desired aesthetic and functionality without crowding. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily adjust the column widths and spacing in Wix Editor, allowing your website to stand out with a design that feels perfectly tailored to your content. Experiment with different settings until you find the right combination that works for you. Thanks for watching and happy editing!